last videos, we talked about how you could read information off of the HTML page and how you could update what was on the HTML page. And before we go further, I'd like to explain a little bit of the thought process here. So the thought process is that most of the apps that you will build as a web developer or someone who's programming in JavaScript are going to be what's called CRUD apps. CRUD apps, the acronym CRUD stands for Create, Retrieve, Update, and Delete. There are people who will argue that that is the only type of app in existence, and I've seen some pretty good arguments for that. Either way, a lot of apps are CRUD apps. You are creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting information. So if you're doing that with information, you probably want to reflect that on the page. So in the last few videos, I showed you how you could update the page, and I showed you how you could read information off the page. If you're paying attention, that is 2 parts of CRUD. So that leaves us with creating information and deleting information. So that's what we're going to cover in the next few videos. And then we're also going to go a little bit more into handling events.